Hey there, today I want to show you how to use the opacity widget in Teta. The opacity widget makes its child partially transparent. More specifically, it colors its child into an intermediate buffer and then merges the child back into the scene partially transparent. Once it has been placed right before any widget, we will be able to change one single value in its settings. The opacity values go from a minimum of 0 to 1. So, by setting it to 0.5 means bringing our widget's visibility to the value of 50%. As with other widgets, this value can be replaced by inserting a modifiable state. For instance, through the action of a given button. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!